Allah's beloved last prophet, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, clearly told us that the example of believers, of Muslimin, is like a body. When one part hurts, the other part aches as well. So this year, when you end, remember how many screams are happening in Gaza, how many screams are happening in Sudan, how many screams are happening in Afghanistan, how many screams are happening in Pakistan. Everywhere the believers are being hurt. Everywhere the believers are being tortured. Everywhere the believers are being raped. Everywhere the believers are being killed, butchered, sentenced, and overpowered. Yell and scream at the end of this conventional year and call it a happy new year. We must remember that we are forgetting them. We must remember we are not doing our part enough to think about them. We are not doing our part enough to actually make dua for them. We are not doing our part enough to actually think about them. We are not doing our part enough to raise their voice for the rest of the world to think, ponder, and to come together. This year, if there is a resolution kind of thing you want to make it count. Make it actually count as a believer. So the Prophet sees you on Judgment Day. He smiles at you. Yes, you were aching like a body of believers. You were aching because other parts of the body was hurting.